Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix posts getting removed on Reddit. I remember posting something on Reddit thinking it would spark a great discussion, and boom, gone in seconds like it never existed. Which honestly feels a little personal at first, but after digging into it, I realized Reddit isn't being dramatic, it's just strict. The first thing I checked was inbox because Reddit usually leaves clues like low karma, spam, or rule violation, and those messages are basically telling you what you did wrong without sugarcoating it. Then I look at my account, and yeah, turns out newer accounts or low karma profiles get filtered pretty fast in a lot of subreddits, especially if you're jumping straight into posting instead of interacting. So I switched things up, started commenting on popular threads, added the trial value, and avoided dropping links like I was advertising a garage sale. Think of it like a community barbecue. If you show up and immediately start selling stuff, people get suspicious. Build some presence first, follow the 90 over 10 rule, and your posts are way more likely to stick around. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.